Hi, students. Hi, families. Have you cooked before? Did you need to use a measuring cup, maybe? Different types of measuring cups to help you follow a recipe that was either in your family for generations or you found on the internet? Today, we are learning all about capacity. Capacity is how you measure liquids, how much liquid can fit in some type of measuring tool. Okay? So, when we do this, what you're thinking about is this is something that some of you will use in your daily life every single day. Some of you will be using recipes. Maybe I know some people want to have their own restaurants or become chefs. You're going to be using recipes every day, so you need to make sure that you learn this capacity. So let's begin. First of all, this is an anchor chart explaining all the different units of capacity that you will need to know in fourth grade. You will need to know fluid ounces, cup, pint, quart, and gallon. And next to it is an example of each. Just like when we did length and we had a reference, when we need to be able to visualize what these measurements look like, meaning picture it in our head, okay? So first, the smallest unit is the fluid ounce, the smallest unit you're responsible for. A fluid ounce is an example of a spoon, okay? It is very small. On food, on drinks, you can see how much it is. You can see this water is 16.9 fluid ounces. Okay, so it takes 16.9, almost 17 ounces are usually a water or a Coke that is that small. Okay, so fluid ounces is first. Next, the next thing that we have is a cup. A cup is about the size of a cafeteria milk carton. Okay, so if you think back to when we were in school and you got milk, remember you were trying to choose, and if you hear me noise, that's me trying to charge my laptop. If you were trying to choose chocolate, you wanted to try to figure out, that is a cup. Okay. You can also use a measuring cup, and if you look at a measuring cup, it will usually have the number of cups on the side. Okay, so that is a cup. Next, we have a pint. So we're thinking about a pint of something, and I have an example for you. A pint of ice cream. So this is Miss Brisbane's favorite ice cream, Praline and Cream, Blue Bell. But the smaller ice creams, that is a pint. And you have the example in there, a small ice cream. Okay, that is a pint. Next, we have a quart. A quart. Miss Brisbane does not eat cereal really, so I only have this. I made queso so I had the milk. But this is a quart. And you can even see it. Let me see if you can see it. Right here, it tells the measurement again. 1 quart. This is a quart. So quarts and pints are hard for Ms. Brisbane to decide between. So it is good to have examples of them so that you're able to see. So maybe you have these things in your refrigerator at home. And last but not least, a gallon. So we're thinking like a gallon of milk or a gallon of paint. Those are big, okay? If you have been going to the school and picking up breakfast on Mondays, they probably gave you at least a gallon of milk. So you are going to watch this video as well. I tried to have it where we watch it together, but the sound wasn't working. So after this, watch this video to explain it even more. But the video will go into detail about how, and it's the gallon man they'll introduce you to, but 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 1 gallon is 4 of these. I would need 4 of these to equal 1 gallon. 1 quart, that's the milk, equals 2 of these ice creams that are a pint. 1 quart equals 2 pints, okay? 1 pint, like of the ice cream, equals 2 cups. And on my measuring cup, This, let me see, that's 2.5. Right here is 2 cups. So those are equal to each other. And then 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces, which is about half of my water. Okay. So this is the part, these measurements in recipes, they'll say, let's say that you are making double amount of a recipe. You need to know if I need 1 pint, that really means I need 2 cups. Most measuring cups don't have pints on there. Most measuring cups has cups and ounces. So a lot of times you have to convert, meaning you have to know what equals what to be able to complete recipes and to cook. Okay? So make sure to watch this other video. I hope this is helpful, and I hope that you have some fun when you're practice today. You're going to be finding items in your refrigerator probably because it's liquid, or in your pantry or in your closets, wherever your family keeps your food, to be able to practice. I hope you have a good day.